The 2026 budget is a budget that's expected to avoid any major tax hikes. It's really expected to focus on tax compliance and ensuring that the Revenue Authority focuses and strengthens the abilities on the revenue collection side without really impacting the economic growth. The expectations from different taxes, personal income taxes, we are not expecting any major increases in the tax rates. From an individual perspective, there's expectations around minimal inflationary rates, obviously increases on the sin taxes, your alcohol, your tobacco. From a corporate tax perspective, I think the tax rate will remain as stable as it is. There would potentially be tightening any incentives that are available, as well as the tax deductions that are available to taxpayers. From a VAT perspective, no much expectation on the VAT rate increase. As we know what happened in the past, there's no really much expectations there. It would really impact the individuals negatively in our households. The focus would potentially be around the tax compliance, the VAT compliance, in ensuring that the Revenue Authority is not releasing unnecessary input VAT that they potentially shouldn't be. The focus really would be around ensuring that they build strong infrastructures or continue to employ skilled employees at SARS in making sure that they collect what's right to them, that the taxpayers are sitting with.